Mr. Subscribers, nice to meet you here again at Crazy Engine. Today we have a very interesting engine on the stand. It's the Saito 270T, twin opposite engine. I bought it from eBay in more or less perfect condition. I will utilize the 20x8 Master Air screw, 10% nitro Byron fuel, and two absolutely new OS Type F glow plugs. So let's start the engine and look how it performs. I should say that engine shows a great compression in both cylinders. So it's practically, I think it's practically unreal to start it by hand in cold condition. So I will utilize the heavy duty starter for it. Not bad, not bad. Right now, we'll try to start it by hand. That's idle, and that sound I like very, very much. So my dear viewers and subscribers, hope you enjoy this part of the video, and I also like to share with you some additional information regarding the construction of the Saito 270T. I know that Saito is utilized the part of the Saito 120 engine, single cylinder 4-stroke, to utilize it in construction of 270T. You can see how similar cylinder looks like. The only one difference which is clear viewable is the place of intake. Here, as we just have some kind of boss, and an additional the intake is going from this side. We also have here the same boss, but it's not drilled, and this boss drilled here. The exhausts are exactly placed in the same place as say the 120 utilized. So that's it. So my dear visitors and subscribers, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoy this run of the Saito 270T engine as I was. I should say that the engine shows its very flexible character. It tunes easily from 7 to 100 RPMs to the 900 RPMs. What to say? Low vibration, very nice sound of the 4-stroke twin-cylinder real engine. Hope you like this sound of how it's idling. So nothing to add more. I like it very much, hope you too, and thank you for watching, and see you soon at Crazy Engine. Have a nice day, bye.